I'm happy to introduce today our guest speaker, Mr. Knud Erik Hansen from Carl Hansen and Son, one of the most famous, not to say the most famous Danish furniture maker, with a lot of designs from Wigmar.
Correct. We are, of course, the oldest family-owned company in Denmark within the furniture industry. We are 108 years old and are still a family in one line, have never been traded. So we're quite proud of that. Yeah, I'm third generation owner of the company.
Carl Hansen and Son became very famous for having engaged the famous Japanese architect Ando,
yeah.
And he designed a famous chair called the Dream
Chair. The
Dream
Chair, yes.
So was that kind of dream that came true, or how do you see that?
Our management here in Japan and myself, we agreed that we should try and approach a big, important Japanese architect. So we went straight to the top and asked, wrote a letter to Tadao Ando. And he responded by phoning our office and speaking to our manager and saying he would be delighted to work with us. And I was very puzzled. I was very pleased and very proud that this gentleman would be so fast and respond so accurately and say yes.
You are still producing in Denmark,
yes.
and that is an advantage, but it also takes a lot of investment. Yes. So briefly, why are you still there?
It's it is the knowledge of the craftsmanship. It is the people, and this is actually in line with the development of Carl Hansen through generations. My father was also working internationally, but a pure Dane that would do anything to produce and to be in Denmark, and very nationalistic about it. So that is part of our culture.
And 25 years with your own company in Japan.
Yes.
The next 25 years will be.
That we will still have our own company here, and we will still have our people. We will hopefully, and we will be much bigger than we are today. Again, to enable us to have a sale here, which is like a business here, which is viable, that can fulfill the Japanese need all over Japan. We will venture into lifestyle more than we have been doing, so that we will also get into carpeting, we will get into light, and so on. We will have a different way of doing business through over the internet, which will also develop. And we are trying to do that in a professional way, and employing people now that are professional in that field. We will be doing accessories and things like that that will complement our furniture. So we have many ideas for the future. It will be very nice.
I hope to see a new Dream chair,
yes.
at least a new Dream coming to Japan.
So will we.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hansen. Thank you very much.